In today's class, we will be learning the topic, Web Design Package. Website design means planning, creation and updating of websites. Website design also involves information architecture, website structure, user interface, navigation ergonomics, website layout colors, contrasts, fonts and photography as well as icons design. Understanding a web page. A web page is a text file containing hypertext markup language, HTML, formatting tags and links to graphic files and other web pages through a web server. Web pages are unique in such a way that they can be interactive and use multimedia. Uses of a web design package. A web page is basically used to create web pages. Other uses include Accessibility Checker, which gives the users the ability to check if their codes are standard compliant and their website is easily accessible for people with disabilities. Split View Option, allow users to code in Code View and Preview in Design View without the hassle of switching from Design and Code View tab. Interactive Buttons, give users a new easy way to create web graphics for navigation and eliminating the need for a complicated image editing package such as Adobe Photoshop. Dynamic Web Template, DWT, allow users to create a single template that could be used across multiple pages and even the whole website. Code Snippets, give users the advantage to create snippets of their commonly used pieces of code, allowing them to store it for easy access when next it is needed. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.